Becoming a millionaire through YouTube can be a difficult feat, but here are some tips that can help you along the way. Here are few simple steps to becoming a YouTube millionaire. One. Find your niche. Two. Make a content plan. Three. Create high-quality videos. Four. Grow your audience. Five. Monetize your channel. Six. Be consistent with your content. Seven. Optimize your videos for search engines. Secret to success on YouTube is to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This requires a deep understanding of your audience, their needs and preferences, and a consistent effort to produce content that meets those needs. You can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, and by optimizing your videos for search engines. In conclusion, the key to becoming a YouTube millionaire is to create engaging content that resonates with your target audience and to monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Additionally, consistency and understanding your audience are crucial for success on the platform.